AI has quickly become integrated into many aspects of our lives, and the momentum shows no signs of slowing. As with all new and emerging technologies, there are fears surrounding its widespread adoption, the most prominent of which centers on concerns related to data protection regulation, such as GDPR and SOC2. Due to data protection concerns, in particular, many companies and organizations have banned the use of generative AI large language models, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT. While this approach is understandable, they risk being left behind by their competitors, both financially and reputationally, by missing out on the benefits available to their workforce and business from these revolutionary new tools. Can you name a company or organization that doesn't allow any of its workforce to use either email or the internet? You might find it difficult, as many who didn't embrace these technologies no longer exist. The companies and organizations that use email and the internet do so because they have tools to manage the risks posed by them. What companies and organizations need is a tool to help mitigate the risk AI potentially poses towards data protection. Introducing AI Vault. Currently, when you use a generative AI LLM, such as to compose a letter to a client, you would type your prompt. This information is then sent to the operator of that technology, processed, and returned to you. However, that is confidential information you have passed to a third party, and you have no way of knowing what will be done with that data, how it will be stored, and so on. It may even be publicly searchable, depending on certain conditions, and used to help the LLM increase its knowledge, which is then relayed in future responses to other users of that LLM. This is AI Vault's time to shine. If you use AI Vault, it comes packed with various anonymity features to protect both your data and also that of your clients. When you type your prompt into AI Vault, it first identifies notable items and gives you the opportunity to redact them before proceeding with the prompt. It also identifies any items that you, as a business, have defined as terms that you do not wish to be sent to an LLM. Once you have redacted these sensitive terms, such as customer names, the prompt is passed anonymously with unique tokens to AI Seek Enterprise, which is part of the AI Vault family. Various things happen during this process, such as enhancing your prompt to improve the result you will get back. This prompt is then passed to the Gen AI LLM. This LLM does not see what you redacted and has no knowledge of the original source of the prompt. All it sees is an encrypted token. The information is then passed back to AI Seek, which may further enhance the result. Once again, it also serves as a barrier for the Gen AI LLM, as they can't see past it to determine who the information is going to or where it came from. The information is then passed back to AI Vault, which returns the redacted terms to their correct place, and you see the finished result. Would you like to know more? Start thinking about what your world looks like now that your security concerns have been locked away and the door to the possibilities of AI has been unlocked with AI Vault.